Nigeria may need to invest more in human capital development in the health sector to improve the healthcare system delivery in the country. The Minister of State for Health and Social Welfare, Titus S, said this at the inaugural lecture by Professor Titus Ibekwe on the topic Sound, Wind and Whisper, a journey in search for harmony in Abuja.
It is estimated that between 65 and 330 million people across the world are affected by significant hearing loss as a result of noise pollution within the environment. In his inaugural lecture, Professor Titus Ibekwe said, sound, wind, and whisper are key components of human health that required urgent attention.
If at our level, just few consortium were able to do this much, how about when the government will is there? We'll be able to achieve maximally, because everything we said here, there's none that's highfalutin or rocket science. There are things that are really doable. That's going back to the fundamental. One and most important is the manpower. The willing hands, the willing heads, people who have the wherewithal to do that. Then they should be supported with the equipment they need to do the job. So once this happens and it's Eldorado, we've achieved that, we'll be able to do it. You know, the Nigerian doctors are the best across the globe. If you go to the best centers, you will realize that a lot of the doctors you meet there are blacks, and significant percentage of them are Nigerians. So it's from here that they all move. So if we stay back, we're encouraged to stay back and do the work here, but just little incentive will encourage people to stay back and do it then.
The Minister of State for Health and Social Welfare, Titus S, said Nigeria is focusing on human capital development in the health sector.
Infrastructure may be a problem, but the more problem is more has to do with manpower in terms of this thing. You can have infrastructure. If you don't have people to man the infrastructure you have in place, it doesn't translate into actions. But the good news is about we are in a regime that we have a president who has the commitment, the political will to right wrong in a renewed home agenda, which have addressed issues of education, issue of health, economy, and virtually many other issues of human endeavor.
The inaugural lecture was attended by the who is who in the academics, within and outside Nigeria. Haz Akudi, AIT News, Abuja.